Miss Chomalil and I'm going to teach you today something special. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. So today I'm going to teach you the time of descent formula for which is needed for all pilots. The formula is cruising altitude minus 3000 plus 3000 plus altitude from the airport divided by vertical speed. So, and you might ask why I chose 3000 here, because above AGL, above ground level, altitude is equal to 3000 feet. Okay guys, so for example, this is my plane. Guys, I have given this formula only for the smooth landings. You can land your plane smoothly. Okay, so this is my plane. I am at 33,000 feet. And this is my land. This is my airport. Okay. And I need to land on the airport. Okay. So, for example, I'm at this altitude. And my vertical speed is, for example, minus 1600 feet per minute. Okay. And this is my airport. Or, for example, let's take London City Airport. London City Airport, where the altitude is equal to 83 feet. Okay, so this is the altitude of an airport, and this is the vertical speed, and this is the cruising altitude. See, I'm representing it. So this is so you might ask, how will I calculate the time of this? No worry, you just apply this formula, you will get it. So if you follow this vertical speed, you have to change it. You have to change it gradual. For example, 1600 feet per minute, you have to reduce it. Then you will change it to minus 500 feet per minute, blah 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 blah. And when you are 300 feet minus 26 feet per minute, then at last minute 10 feet or something, you have to change to minus 3 feet per minute, minus 3 feet per minute. That depends on your choice, like this. And you will finally land, and you will finally butcher. There's a landing here, so you will butcher the bread like this. This is the physics. So hope you enjoy the video. You have learned something special. You can try. This video is very useful for real pilots and for flight simulator pilots too, who want to become pilots. So don't forget to subscribe a channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.